Hello everyone. Today we are here to do a review on the book Daily Routine by George Whittaker. Here the author have shared some of the ways in which we can spend morning and night routine productively, healthy and happily. Being productive every day is the most important thing to achieve our long-term goal and stay awake and healthy throughout the day. First, let's look upon into the morning routine. To make use of morning effectively, there is a formula to be taken into mind. Mindset work plus healthy fuel plus personal development is equal to power morning. Let's get to know what are these ways in detail. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you found to be useful, share it with your friends and family. What is mindset work? The first thought you have in the morning will have profound effect throughout the day. Fill your mind with positive thoughts. Think of the things you are grateful for because every day is a new beginning, and get your mind to make the effective use of it. When you get up thinking you are feeling lazy and sleepy, then the entire day would be tiresome and vapid. Thus, wake up with positivity and see the changes that life brings you. Next, let's look upon fueling your mind, body, and spirits. If your mind is alert, then your body automatically listens to it. The best way is keep your mind active is through meditation. It helps us to relax our mind and bring us to the present. You can spend minimum of 5 to 15 minutes in a day and can able to see the amazing changes within you. Second one is the usage of affirmation or positive phrase. Set yourself the intention and turn into I will, I can, and I believe in statement. Always take a note of it and stick it in the place where it is often visible. By looking it into this, unknowingly your subconscious mind works upon it and you tend to feel it someday. Next is journaling. Journaling in morning of noting down do's and don'ts, what are your goals, intentions, fear, worries. Make a habit of writing everything in a paper. This will help you to travel in right directions and will prevent procrastination. Giving gratitude and how blessed we are for the things we have helps us to make us feel how grateful we are for this life. The next important thing is setting of intentions, which will lead to the path to achieve your goals. Affirmations, intention, and goals rely on one another. Goals are split into small intentions, and to achieve that intention, affirmation are used. Next is the setting up of vision board. Anything we are planning to do, put forth in the board through images or through words, and seeing it every morning will let you know at what state you are to reach the destination. The most important thing is the personal development. That is, loading your mind with information and current affairs, as morning is a period where your mind will be really active. The author says that this will all act as a fuel to mind, but fueling your body is also equally important. Thus, have a track of the regular intake of water. If you feel taking plain water is dreadful, then you can have infused water or herbal tea and stay yourself hydrated throughout the day. Then have a nutritious healthy breakfast. Dumping your stomach with fatty acid or the junk food will make your stomach upset throughout the day. Keep it in practice of doing yoga regularly in small stretches and warm up will help to keep your muscles active. Try to follow home workouts and go for a walking or running inside your apartment or in the terrace and get the fresh air, which will make you feel fresh throughout the day. With this, you are half the way to be active, healthy, and productive, and lifting your spirit is also the other way to complete this. And this can be done by hearing to good music or composing of new tones. Don't always be idle or work in a robotic way. Some sort of dance in the middle of the work will make you feel energetic. Every day, at least few minutes, have a habit of doing your favorite. It may be talking to your beloved ones, cooking, or doing your favorite hobby. Always be positive and spread positivity around you. Talk to yourself on a regular basis because there is no better companion than you. Most of all, pampering yourself is equally important. Have your me time, and taking care of your external body is damn important. When you feel you are presentable, then there will be a rise in your confidence level. Following these things will not take you more time. Spending some quality time in doing this and adapting according to your lifestyle will have a great impact in your life and will help to save more time in future. Anyone does not prefer to lead a blank or vague life. It may be a housewife or a person working outside. All have their own responsibilities and duties to be done. Following this routine will not bring a change within a day but gives an amazing outcome at the end of the day. Let's check out for the night routine in the upcoming video. Until then, stay tuned. Happy reading. Bye.